guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. In case you haven't heard, a new bank was just launched very recently in Singapore, and the name is Trust Bank. Yes, that's right, it's Trust Bank. Trust me bro. Trust Bank is a digital bank, basically a bank without any physical branches. So everything is done online. Welcome to the future. This bank is a collaboration between Standard Chartered, who owns 60% of it, and NTUC Enterprise Arm, who owns the remaining 40%. Currently, they are offering a savings account, credit card, and a personal accident insurance plan, which I feel is a little random. Anyway, in this video, I will review all their products and tell you what I think about them. Are they actually good, or are they just meh? Also, a quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored at all. While I do have sign up code down below, earning or sign up rewards is the least of my concerns. So you can be sure that all these are my honest opinions, yeah? With that being said, let's start right now. Okay, before I review the products, let me talk a bit more about Trust Bank, specifically the pros and cons. Pros, there are little to no fees. For example, if you use a normal bank account like DBS Multiplier and your average balance falls below $3,000, or DBS will take $5 from you every single month. For Trust Bank, they'll be like, no, we don't do that here. There's no fall below fee, no money fee, no foreign transaction fee. Basically, it's feeless. Same for the credit card. There's no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, not even 1% visa charges, unlike a certain car hailing company. In short, there's no fees to worry about when using a digital bank. As for cons, there are no physical bank branches. So if the app suddenly stops working, you basically can't do anything until they fix the app. Based on an online search, Standard Chartered app did go down a couple of times in the past few years, but it's super rare, so I wouldn't worry too much, yeah? So those are the pros and cons of using Trust Bank. Oh yeah, even though it's a digital bank, you can still withdraw money from ATMs. There's one Trust Bank ATM at VivoCity's Fair Price. And you can also withdraw through Standard Chartered ATMs located across Singapore. As for how safe it is, actually it's quite safe. Yes, the usual bank-grade security like data encryption, identity verification, fraud prevention and stuff. And if touch wood, anything happens, depositors are insured by SDIC for up to $75,000. Basically, the exact same insurance that all the other banks have. Okay, let's talk about Trust Bank's first product, the savings account. For deposits up to $50,000, you earn a base interest of 1%. Anything above that is just a set 0.05% interest. Then, if you make 5 purchases with their card, you will earn additional interest. If you have NTUC Union membership, you will earn additional 0.4% interest up to your first $50,000. But if you are not a member, it will just be a 0.2% interest instead. The special thing about Trust Bank is that the interest is accrued daily. So, with the magic of compounding, your money will compound faster. But just take note, the interests are still paid out on a monthly basis, yeah? So that's their savings account. You put money in, you earn interest. So simple. But the important question is, how does it compare to other savings accounts? For comparison purposes, I will just assume that you are not NTUC Union member because the membership costs $117 per annum. Which means that unless you are the auntie who often shops at Fair Price, you won't really sign up for membership. Hence, without memberships, you will only earn 1.2% interest on your first $50,000. Okay, check this out. If you have a $10,000 balance, $2,000 salary credit, $500 credit card spend, and 3 bill payments, you will earn these interest rates. Trust Bank's 1.2% interest beats most of the banks out there, except for CIMB Fast Saver and UOB One. As for insurance savings accounts, Singlife gives a higher 1.5% interest, but it's only on the first $10,000. Singtel Dash Easy Earn gives the same 1.2% interest, but it's only on the first $20,000. And there's also a $3,000 money withdrawal limit. So for savings account, I would say that Trust Bank is one of the best ones out there. Alright, let's move on to the more exciting part, credit card. On their website, it says that their card is the only card that you need, where you will enjoy up to 21% savings on fair price groceries and food, and up to 20% savings on fuel purchases at Caltex. But is this really the case? Let's find out. They currently offer two different credit cards. If you are NTUC Union member, you will get the NTUC Link card, which gives up to 21% savings. But if you are not a member, you will get the Trust Link card, which gives up to 15% savings. You will also notice that there's a debit card, but it's basically using the same exact card, where you can switch between a credit card and debit card depending on your needs. For this review, I will focus on credit cards because it gives the highest savings. So why are they saying up to? The answer is simple. That's because you need to fulfill a ton of criteria before you can start earning the maximum amount. For example, for the Link card, you will earn a base 0.5% on Fair Price Group groceries and 0.22% on other eligible spend. Then, to earn the 7.5% monthly bonus, you will need to meet a $450 spent on non-Fair Price Group expenses. And to earn the 7% quarterly bonus, you need to meet the minimum $450 spent on non-Fair Price Group for 3 consecutive months. So that's how much criteria you have to fulfill before you are able to hit the 15% savings. But let's say you are able to fulfill all of them. What's the real savings that you will get? Check this out. I know it looks complicated, but I promise it's actually super easy to understand. Here, I'm spending $100 on Fair Price Group expenses and $450 on non-Fair Price Group expenses, meaning I will be able to meet the $450 minimum spend. Because of that, I will earn 15% savings on Fair Price Group expenses. After everything, my effective cashback is only 2.91%. Of course, if I spend more on Fair Price groceries, the cashback would go up, but I'm just basing off my usual monthly grocery expenses here. On the other hand, if I didn't meet the minimum spend, even after spending $350, I would just earn a super set 0.26% effective cashback. This is another calculation for the NTUC Link card, where it gives up to 21% savings. As you might expect, the effective cashback is higher. Also, this super high 21% and 15% savings is only a promotional thing, as they will only last till December 31st, 2022. After that, the savings will drop even more. So, what's my take on this? It's simple. The Trust Bank card and the Link card are basically anti-cards, where it will only make sense if you usually buy a ton of groceries from Fair Price, like maybe $200, $300 or more. Then you need to spend at least $350 to $450 on other stuff like bill, transport, online expenses to qualify for the highest savings on Fair Price expenses. If you don't meet these criteria, then this card is not for you. Okay, remember that this card doesn't have foreign transaction fee. Maybe this card will be good for foreign spendings then? Not really. If I want a good FS rate card without any fees, that's already Utrip and Revolut. Or if I want a card that gives higher reward on foreign spends, I can use Instagram Amaze card and pair it with something like Citi Cashback Plus card and get a total of 2.6% cashback. Otherwise, I can pair Instagram Amaze card with Citi Rewards card to get a 4 miles per dollar and a 1% cashback. In short, this card is only good if you buy a lot of groceries at fair price. Finally, for the insurance portion, it's a family personal accident insurance by NTUC Income, where it covers up to $8,000 for death and permanent disability due to accidents. You will first get 2 months free coverage upon signing up for the card. After that, it will cost 50 cents per month. Personally, I'm not an insurance agent, so I can't comment too much on this. But for myself, if I really want to cover myself for death and TBD due to accidents, I would definitely want to cover a lot more than just $8,000. But that's just me, yeah. Okay, let's round this up. I like the savings account a lot as there's no fall below fees and its interest is one of the best currently. For the Trust card, I would say it depends on your spending habits. If you spend a lot on fair price groceries, then this card is good. Otherwise, there are easily better cards out there. As for insurance, I wouldn't really consider it as it doesn't suit my needs. So that's my review for Trust Bank. If you want to sign up, you can sign up with my code down below and earn a $10 fair price e-voucher. Then if you spend with the card, you will get another $25 fair price e-voucher. Anyway, that's all for this video. Hopefully you find it useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.